What's wrong with the internet on your Mac? Why does everything keep buffering? In this video, I'll show you can fix the slow internet on your Mac. Now, unless your Mac is really old or damaged, it's probably not an issue with the Mac itself, but rather your network. Whether you're on a slow Wi-Fi or a slow wired connection, not many people know you can actually combine that network with other networks to make it stronger and faster. For example, if you're on a slow Wi-Fi network, you can combine it with a wired connection or tether your phone so you can use it together with your Wi-Fi for a boost. How? Well, the Speedify app allows you to combine multiple internet connections at once. Now, Speedify not only merges your internet connections, but it also detects when one of them is weak. Then it seamlessly transfers all of your traffic to the stronger connection, so your connection will never drop out. This advanced technology is called channel bonding. Now, Speedify is also a powerful VPN, or virtual private network, that encrypts all of your web and app activity to prevent hackers and even your own internet service provider from snooping in on what you're doing online. This means that Speedify can also unblock apps and websites on networks where they may be restricted, like school or office Wi-Fi. And if you're traveling with your friends or your family trying to use the internet somewhere where the signal is really bad, like a train, hotel, convention, or even a music festival, you can actually combine multiple mobile hotspots together to create one stronger, more stable connection for everyone. Just use Speedify's pair and share feature. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free on all your devices and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular with each other wirelessly. So if you're tired of slow internet on your Mac, you know what to do. Just download Speedify today from speedify.com or the Mac App Store and enjoy a better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips like this.